needed something to sleep with. And unfortunately, the 223 is the motor. Hold on. Unfortunately, like the two other McMillans I have that are small, this one is hot to the touch after running it and smells like burning plastic. So I don't know what to do. Now you might think, oh, I'm just going to take the K223 that I got when I was on my trip, the little blue one. I'll plug it up. It's not as loud, but at least it's on. Well, it works. It's just squeaking, and I don't know what. And it's not a big squeak. It's like, it's not that much of a squeak, but it's enough to drive me nuts. So this is only going to last a little bit of time, but I got one. I also got this, and the only reason is because of the price tag. Because it's September, basically, these are now all on sale. So I got the very last one they had, which was purple. I think they come in blue and black as well. But first, let us unbox the monstrosity that is the 3733. You can see it's the very basic box, nothing special. Made in USA from domestic and imported parts. Surprisingly, it does not say the model name on it anywhere. B2200, it looks like, is the name of this one, even though it's just a 3733 at heart. So let's take a look at this bull crap that is the box fan that sits right here.
Everybody that I've ever met. Don't know why it ain't all easy to forget. It's alright, it's not a point to plead or cry. I couldn't anyway do dirty on the inside. So dirty, dirty on the inside. So dirty, dirty on the inside.
So let's see what we've got. This is a run-of-the-mill 3733. We've all seen these before. If you haven't, you're under a rock. Same cheap-ass motor. Same stupid design. Same feet that I'm afraid I'm going to break the handle with trying to get them out. Come on. There we go. Instructions that I honestly don't need. What the? Why would you do that with the... Okay, at least it's better than winding it off, which is what Holmes does with theirs, and it's annoying as shit. Let's plug in this. Oh, it's on. That is disappointing. The whole thing moves. Makes more noise than air. See how spin down works. They no longer come with the stickers kind of on the front. Spins down terribly. Looks like it needs oil. No motor noise. But at least it's something. Something that'll work for just a little while the other one doesn't work well. So we'll move this one aside. Take a look at this little one. Again, this is a little 9-inch table fan. I've actually never had one of these, so let's take a look. This one doesn't need a knife.
I don't know until I got some poison blood. A bad brain and I don't know what. It's alright, you know I get this every night. But it's alright.
I had a Massey one of these that was 3-speed from Walmart that I think I smashed. Stop. In the unlikely event that you have a problem or question about your unit, I think we're going to have a problem quite frequently. This is a MBF 918 9-inch personal fan by Mainstays. Turn this off. put it upstairs. And then, Jesus Christ, this thing looks cheap. This is kind of like the Massey, except the Massey didn't come in colors. Good God. Oh my, Jesus. Good. Oh my God, this thing is just a hunk of garbage. Did not know what I expected, but I knew it wasn't gonna be good. Let's see how this stupid thing goes. They did the annoying cord thing again. There we go. That's embarrassing how long that took. Stretch out the cord a little bit, which is not gonna work. Let's plug it in. So I don't know what speed is what, so we'll just do 3. My God. It's always nice when it squeaks right out of the box. Not even a brand either. It's so quiet. One thing I like is that the switch, there's 2 positions for each one. I find that funny, so you can do off or off. Let's do a spin down. Again, I would not have bought this. It was on sale though. QTPI are losing horns. Chungwan Electric Company Limited. In March of 2019. So that shows. Alright, first impression, I can almost take this entire grate off. When that happens, you got issues. Again, I think these come in blue and black as well, but naturally those were all sold out. This was the only one left, marked down to $7. There you go, the 2 cheapos of the day.